Here we go, we're gonna start with his face. Jack Frost is a frosty old boy. Kind of like a V, just like this. That's nice. We'll give him an old pointy nose like that. There we go. And a mouth looking like that. That's looking good. Jack Frost has got big old eyes like this. One big round one there. Another big round one here, just like that. And he can look around like this. 1, 2. And then what we're gonna do is give him some pupils with a highlight. So the highlight's here, and our pupils will be like that. There we go, we're looking good here. And now we're gonna draw a little neck on him just like that. That'll be nice. And we'll give him some hair now. A little wispy hair right about here. Frame his face like this. And coming around like this. There we go. He's a bit of a prince looking boy. Just like that. And around like that. Looking good, everybody. And now we can draw his hat. Jack Frost has got a funny crown, doesn't he? So we'll start there. And we'll give it up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join it up like that. And then what we do is we'll give him a bit of a pom-pom here, because at the base of his hat is a crystal. A big old gem that he likes to share with everybody. And we'll color that in later, and we'll give it a little bit of a edgy look, just like that. This is looking nice, everybody. Now Jack Frost's collar will come down like this, pointy just like his hat. This is looking nice, everyone. Here we go. Very good. And now for his body, just down like that. And another line right about there. And then we can join these up with a belt. We'll give it a big old belt buckle right about here. That's looking nice. And join that belt up like that. Here we go. A little skirt for his coat. More zigzaggy types. There we go. Looking sweet, everybody. Now we can draw his arms. So let's bring his arms out like this. And maybe up like this. That's looking good. And we'll give him a very nice thumb like that. 1, 2, 3. Jack Frost has only got 3 fingers and a thumb. Funny enough. Down like this, and this one up, as if he's trying to make the snow come. There we go, just like this. There's his thumb. 1, 2, 3. Very nice, everybody. Now we can finish him off with his legs. Nice. Squiggly legs like that. Pretty long, I would imagine, just like about this. There we go. And now we can give him some boots. Little swashbuckling boots. Give him a little twist here like that at the top. And then we'll give him some feet. There we go. And a little heel. And another heel here, like this. There we go. Beautiful, everybody. Jack Frost. Now for the color. Light purple for his shirt, pants, and hat. Blue for his boots and belt and eyes. Red for his hat jewel. Silver for his hair. And light blue for his skin. Thanks, everyone.